Soldering is one of the fundamental skills that you can pick up when doing RC because it allows you a whole lot more options when it comes to the electronic side. A customer came in, got a 3S battery, but it's running the wrong plugs. So we'll show you how simple it is to switch out this EC3 to an XT60. The thing you want to make sure with batteries is you don't cut both leads at the same time. That's the most important thing because you don't want to short it out. So what we will do is we will do these one at a time. Now the XT60 is already tinned, but when we cut the EC3s, we are going to have to strip and tin them. That's probably not the best cutter for this because it's a little long. Grab a different one. So, step one, as always, you have to cut. Then this is, if you don't know what the gauge is, it will tell you. And it's printed here. This is 12. It's a little bit hard to see. 12 gauge. So we use on our strippers. I'm going to go with 12. And you just want to strip off enough so that way you can break through the sheath, which is sometimes a little hard on silicone insulation. It's super squishy. There we go. All right, the one thing I almost always forget to do is heat shrink, which then I have to go back and fix. So let's start with that first because we'll be doing this quickly. Should be all right. Slide our heat shrink down. Next thing we want to do is we want to tin our battery lead. Tinning it ahead of time makes it easier to solder up later. The idea with soldering, especially with batteries, is you want to reduce the amount of time you heat up the wire. So we're here. Move that over so you can see. Okay. Because I tinned so much and it wasn't exactly flush when I cut it, now that it's all soldered and tinned, then I can trim it up a little bit more. We're going to use this. So with it tinned on both sides. All you have to do is then melt your solder together. It can help to reflow a little bit more solder into your joint. Just make sure you don't have a cold joint. Like here, this side's good. The other side is a little bit lacking. So let's just redo that. As you can see, it came apart because that heated up all the way through the joint, which is good because it means that all of the solder is reflowed. So just hold that together for a sec. All right, always good to double check. Negative to black, did that correctly. Now we'll do the other side. Okay. Heat shrink on and cut the tin. Add a little bit more. Yep. Oops, overshot that, so we'll fix that up. that side's flowed in. 12 gauge is a little bit big for an XT60 plug, at least when it's a really thick wire. But then we'll let that cool off so that way I can fit this over. Not. There we go. New plug all soldered up, all ready for the customer. So, if you've got batteries that you need different plugs on, you don't want to run adapters anymore, it's pretty straightforward to do that. Change them out. RPP Hobby, we offer service if you don't feel comfortable, or if you're around the Bay Area and you want to come over and learn how to solder, we can help out with that too.